Cleaning your bathroom can feel like a never-ending battle against grime and stains, right? Here are the 5 best electric bathroom cleaning brushes I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Taiyu Electric Spin Scrubber. Let's kick things off with the Taiyu Electric Spin Scrubber, priced at $39.99. What caught my eye was its IPX7 waterproof rating and the Power LCD display, which is super handy. If you want a scrubber that really cuts down your cleaning time, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this Taiyu scrubber solves your cleaning woes. It has a powerful motor that spins at 450 RPM, so it tackles stubborn stains with ease. Imagine cutting your cleaning time from an hour to just 30 minutes. And with its 2 adjustable speeds, you can switch between 350 RPM for regular cleaning and 450 RPM for those tough spots. This matters because it means you can customize your cleaning based on how dirty the area is, saving both time and energy. Plus, with over 10,000 units sold just last month, people clearly love it. Now, some users mentioned that the brush heads could feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, as long as you handle them with care, they do a job fantastically without scratching surfaces. So if you're not overly rough with your tools, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight scrubber that can reach those awkward spots without you bending over. But skip this if you need something more heavy-duty for industrial-grade cleaning. Considering the features, it offers good value for your money. Alright, that was a solid option, but if the brush head issue bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for ensuring durability. Product number 2, CTMAST Electric Spin Scrubber. We have the CTMAST Electric Spin Scrubber at an affordable price of $23.99. What stood out to me is its impressive 53-inch adjustable pole, making it easy to reach high or low areas. If you want effortless cleaning without straining your back, you should check this one out. Why is this scrubber a potential game changer for you? It features dual speed rotation, reaching up to 450 RPM with just a button press. So whether you're tackling light dirt or deep stains, you have the flexibility to choose the intensity. With a battery life of up to 90 minutes on a single charge, you won't have to worry about frequent interruptions. This is particularly great for busy households where time is of the essence. However, some users reported that the battery life could degrade after several uses. But honestly, if you're cleaning regularly, charging it after every use is quite manageable, so this isn't a significant drawback. This scrubber is great for anyone who wants a lightweight, easy-to-use tool without breaking the bank. But if you need something that lasts for extensive cleaning sessions, you might want to consider other options. Overall, it packs good features for the price. Now, if the battery life issue got you thinking, let's move on to a product that offers even more versatility. Product number 3, Bombvest Electric Spin Scrubber. We have the Bombvest Electric Spin Scrubber, which also retails for $39.99. Its 8 replaceable brush heads really caught my attention, ensuring you can clean all sorts of surfaces efficiently. If you want multiple cleaning options in one device, this is definitely worth checking out. The Bombvest scrubber has a robust battery that lasts up to 90 minutes after a 2 to 3 hour charge, which means you can get through a significant cleaning session without interruptions. The design is cordless and includes 3 adjustable lengths, so you can comfortably reach every nook and cranny without straining your back. Here's why this matters. Having the right tools for different tasks can make cleaning faster and less of a chore. However, a few users found the adjustable lengths a bit tricky to figure out, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's smooth sailing. It's not a deal breaker if you're willing to invest a little time. This scrubber is perfect for anyone who needs a comprehensive cleaning solution for various surfaces, but if you're looking for something super compact, this may not be the best fit. Given the features offered, it's reasonably priced for the value. Now, if you're still looking for something lightweight, the next product might just be the perfect match. Product number 4, Swiperix Electric Bathroom Cleaning Brush. Check out the Swiperix Electric Bathroom Cleaning Brush priced at $39.99. I love how lightweight it is at just 2.4 pounds, making it easy to handle for long cleaning sessions. If you're looking for a user-friendly option that won't tire you out, you might want to give this a shot. What makes this scrubber stand out is its dual speed settings, rotating at a maximum of 320 RPM. This feature allows for both light and deep cleaning, which means you can adjust according to how dirty the space is. The extended battery life of 100 minutes on a full charge with an LCD display showing battery levels is another big plus. It keeps you informed so you're not left unexpectedly with a dead battery. Here's why this matters. Knowing how much charge you have helps you plan your cleaning better. A downside some users mentioned is that the unit could feel a bit underpowered for heavy-duty jobs. But to be fair, if you're mainly cleaning bathrooms and kitchens, it's more than adequate. So unless you have really tough messes, this shouldn't deter you. This scrubber is ideal for anyone looking for a lightweight cleaning solution for moderate dirt. But skip it if you're looking to tackle heavy stains or dirt frequently. It offers great value for regular household use. Alright, that wraps up our fourth pick. But if you want something even more budget-friendly, the last product on our list could be just what you're looking for. Product number 5, Puffdom Electric Spin Scrubber. Last on our list is the Puffdom Electric Spin Scrubber, which is the most budget-friendly option at just $21.98. What impressed me is its long-lasting battery life of up to 180 minutes on a charge. If you want something that won't quit on you halfway through cleaning, this might be your best bet. Why should you consider the Puffdom Scrubber? It features 2 speeds, 350 RPM for normal cleaning and 400 RPM for deep cleaning, which is great for tackling all kinds of dirt and grime. The 6 replaceable brush heads cover various surfaces, making it a versatile tool for most cleaning tasks. And the lightweight design ensures you won't feel fatigued even after extended use. Perfect if you dread the chore of cleaning. However, some users did mention it feels less durable compared to pricier models. But honestly, considering the price point, it's a great entry-level tool, especially for light cleaning tasks. This scrubber is perfect for you if you need an affordable, easy-to-use cleaner for everyday messes. But skip this one if you require professional-grade power for tough jobs. It's a fantastic deal for its features and price. Now, if you're interested in any of these products, let's wrap things up and summarize what we covered. We've covered 5 excellent electric bathroom cleaning brushes today. To quickly recap, the TYOU offers great time-saving features, the CGMAST is budget-friendly with a long pole, the Bomb Vest provides versatility with multiple brush heads, the Swirix is lightweight and user-friendly, and the PUFTEM is the most affordable with impressive battery life.